It's been a good couple of days for us so far. There's still work to do, but we're very happy with where we are. We've retained some amazing power in the batting order, which was one of our focuses. You know, Salt combining with Virat up front is a nice balance for us. And we've got some real power in the middle. And then high skill with Bhuvi, Yash Dayal, Hazelwood and Rafiq Salam available for us on the seam front. Krunal's a nice experienced operator for us to lead the spin. And we've got some youth and talent in Suyash. Bhuvi, which we're really happy with. We really wanted to target him today. He's high skill, very experienced, he doesn't get injured, he's great under pressure. And we think that his lateral movement and high skill is something that will work at Chinnaswamy. The combination with Hazelwood, who's been at RCB before, and Yash Dayal with his left arm angle and swing and slower balls, we think that's a really nice combination for our seam attack. We're very happy with where we sit at the moment, but there's still some work to do.